In order to determine if the following graphs show equivalent vectors, we need to figure out if the horizontal components match and the vertical components match. If only one of them match, or if neither of them match, they will not be equivalent vectors. So we're just going to count from the tail end of the vector to the head end of the vector for both vectors to find their components. So for vector u, the horizontal component is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the vertical component is just 1. So if the other one matches exactly, they're going to be equivalent vectors. If they don't match exactly, they're not equivalent vectors. Starting at the tail end of the vector, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those match, and up 1. So those match. So they are equivalent vectors. And the way you write that is vector u is equivalent to vector v. If one of these was negative and the other one was positive, they would not be equivalent vectors. If the components were switched and this was a 1 and a 4, they would not be equivalent vectors. So make sure you watch out for that in future problems.